Hello, this is Ryan from Zero2Code, and I'm here to help you become one of the world's greatest computer programmers. Last time, we looked at how to create our very first web page. Today, we're going to create a new web page, which is an Olympic fan page. So I'm going to change this. So I right-clicked, click Rename, call this tutorial5.html, and we'll create a new file. And we don't have to call these index, by the way. As long as we click on them, our computer will interpret them as HTML. So we're going to start out again with some HTML, a head, and we'll title this My Olympic Fan Page for Simone Biles. And in our body,